Yeah.
Keith, save those moves. You may need them in the near future. He's a little bit flamboyant in his moves. I knew you'd love this one. Trevor, are you having second thoughts about this parental thing?
How are you still winning?
Your moves are so good. How could she be winning? Keith! Maintain your focus. Babe, it's a song you like.
No, you farted on me.
Ew.
It was the awesomest move in the world.
I'm winning. Winning. Must cheat again. Alright, I'm winning.
Are you? How that happened?
I cheated.
Did it catch it?
We're both getting X's. Oh, Keith took off the sauce. Now it's serious.
Yes. And he did a really scary warm-up. And he farted on Dana.
What the? Oh yeah!
That's because you cheated a whole bunch of times.
Trevor, your father is the master.
What do you guys having, like a championship?
No, Keith just did one.
Keith is a cheater.
I did lose.
You ain't cheating
Once.